Yo, what's up? This is Degen Ed. That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice, just me having fun looking at charts like the chart behind me, which is of 2X natural gas, ticker symbol BOIL, which is at all-time lows now, right around $35, closing yesterday, November 30th at $36.26. And so I wanted to do a follow-up video on natural gas, also covering United States natural gas, which is not 2x leveraged. This is ticker symbol UNG, as well as 2x short natural gas, which is ticker symbol KOLD. That is at highs right now. It looks like it might be turning around. And so the reason why I wanted to go over these, particularly the long ETFs, that being BOIL and UNG, is because I had been thinking that there would be a low around now, the end of November, beginning of December. And that's exactly what we're experiencing, all-time lows. So, that's great. This could be a potentially great buying opportunity. However, it's also possible these tickers could go lower and KOLD could go higher. And so one of the reasons why I felt there might be a low around here is because of natural gas futures historical data. I had noticed that whenever it switches from red to green or green to red, basically the sign change, that the prices of the ETFs tend to do the same. So when it switches from red to green, price tends to go up that following month. When it switches from green to red, KOLD, the short ETF, tends to go up that month. And so I had been compiling, actually I might be able to pull that up here. I have been compiling a bunch of data from this website, investing.com, to do a comparison between when it switches from red to green. But, there's a catch. You might have noticed this. The December data did come out, which you can see right above Ed's head, December 1st. That's today as I'm recording this. And the change was negative 1%. So it didn't go from red to green. It actually stayed red. So, what are my thoughts on that? Those thoughts I will cover in an extensive video, probably less than 10 minutes long, going over the data that I've put together to assess, what I think natural gas will be doing over the month of December. And so I had been thinking that when it switches from red to green, it would go up. However, it doesn't always do that. Sometimes it can be kind of flat, and I realized that it might actually be great news that it is still red for December because it may not be so significant that there is a change in sign, but rather it might be more meaningful the magnitude of the change. And so there was a more than 20% increase between, let's see, I'll scroll this up so you can see November. There was more than a 20% increase from November to December. And so while that may make my number crunching a little more difficult and a little more time consuming, I should still have a video out tomorrow on this, not only comparing sign changes, but also comparing when the change is more than 20%. And so while we did see a very red month for November, we also saw a 40% decrease from October over here to November. And so I do think that December could still be a very good year for natural gas. But, it's also good to exercise caution. And so for me today on December 1st, I'm putting on the brakes to wait and see what happens, to consider my analysis that I will put out tomorrow that will include statistics on changes that you see here relative to the price of BOIL, UNG, and KOLD. And also including some graphs. So I think it will be a really informative video that should be really, really helpful. And so if you're uneasy about it being so low right now, take it easy. I think that this could be still a really good opportunity. It may, however, be that we have low prices for the month of December, and maybe we see a turnaround in January. We'll see. Stay tuned for my analysis tomorrow. It should be a really great video. And if you enjoyed this one, make sure you like it, share your thoughts in the comments down below, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and happy trading. Take care.